Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about how to make a graph in Python for using Matplotlib and Pandas. For that you have to install the Matplotlib and Pandas from Google. You get it from Google and install it. From Google you have to just write the Pandas in Python and then you will get here you will get the pandas from Python, from where you will have to take the link, copied and come to the Pycharm again, and here you will paste it into the terminal. So go to the terminal and here you press Ctrl V, you will and press enter, you will get the pandas. And same way you can install the library matplotlib, and then you have to write data equals to pandas read csv india.com. This is the data which I have taken from Google in CSV form. So you can also take it from Google and you can see this is the data which is telling the date and the country and the confirmed and confirmed coronavirus data and recovered data and death. So I am taking only date and confirmed data. Now you will see, first of all you have to see how you can plot your data. So for that you just take the small data x is equal to this and y equals to this, and then print plot, and this is the object which I have made with using matplotlib. So plit dot scatter x and plit dot bar x, and then pilt show, then this will show you the data how it make in graph. Just see, this is a scattered graph and this is a bar graph. Now we are going to use this command with the data which I have taken from the Google for, regarding to coronavirus, and then I'm going to make a scattered and bar chart for the coronavirus. So just run it and find out. By running the program you will get the data in the graph form. This is the scatter chart for the coronavirus and then the bar chart for the coronavirus. So this is all. Today we have learned how to make a chart. Tomorrow I will tell you in more detail about chart which you can make in Python, data, and you can predict the data regarding to coronavirus. As you know, it is scattering very far. Thank you viewers. If you like this, then please share and subscribe.